I'm going to talk through some of the gliders that I've got left. I've sold 3 or 4 gliders. One of them was in its box like this one, so it's not one that I'd use. This is the first glider that I really got going with. Now, let me say that I'm biased towards the idea of throwing them off a slope soaring. With this one, the battery pushes down there into the nose, but even with the battery a fair bit forward, when you're throwing it off the slope, I find that you tend to need a bit more weight. So you might need to sellotape some lead onto it as well to bring the centre of gravity to about 1/3 back on the wing. If you 2/3 from there, 1/3 from there. I don't know if I ever marked it on this one. Well, there's a strengthening spar there. So I would say about where that spar thing is in there. And then the wing is banded on. As you can see, the plastic pegs for banding on aren't there on this one. It's a brushed motor on the back, reasonable size prop. So then if you throw it off, because of the size of the battery, it's 7 cells, 2/3 AA or whatever they are, cells that are together. You're not sapping the battery a lot just on the servos. You've only got 2 servos, so no ailerons or flaps on it, just straightforward wing. So your turning is done with the rudder, so you're really twisting it from side to side. So, some things when you're flying it, you turn like that. This, you're skidding sideways, basically. It will dip if you're using a rudder to turn. But I found that this one, there's enough control surface area for it to be quite nicely controllable. It's not one that you're going to do aerobatics with. The banded on wing makes it fairly durable for landing because it will twist sideways and the bands will just release this wing. It's quite a robust wing. And it's on eBay and there's a bid on it. So it's sold basically. And I think the person wants it sending. I'll find out in the end, which means that what I'm going to have to do is just detach the whole of the tail plane from it and pack it up with those detached and the wing in it and put it into a box, something like that.